Come test drive the 2026 Accord Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass.
The Honda Accord Hybrid offers a blend of efficiency and luxury with a refined, spacious interior, advanced safety features, and a smooth hybrid powertrain. It provides a comfortable and eco-friendly driving experience without sacrificing performance or style.